From high above the Mediterranean, the Crown Iris glides smoothly through the water, Mano Maritime's flagship and one of Israel's most recognizable cruise ships. Originally launched in 1992 under the name MS Burqa Queen, this ship has carried many identities over the years: Royal Majesty, Norwegian Majesty, Louis Majesty, Thompson Majesty, and Princess Iris. In 2018, she was acquired by Israeli company Mano Maritime, fully refurbished and renamed Crown Iris. Sailing under the Panamanian flag, Crown Iris is homeported in Haifa, Israel. The ship serves regional Mediterranean cruises to Cyprus, Greece, Italy, and other scenic destinations. She accommodates up to 1,970 passengers and is supported by a dedicated crew of about 600. On board, guests enjoy multiple dining options, including kosher, vegan, and gluten-free menus, entertainment shows, cultural lectures, a basketball court, and a water slide on the pool deck. It's a casual, family-friendly experience tailored for Israeli and international passengers. Mano Maritime, founded by Moshe Mano in the 1980s, is a family-owned Israeli shipping company. Alongside its cruise operations, it also runs cargo vessels, bulk carriers, and logistics services worldwide. Crown Iris is the company's only cruise ship and a symbol of national pride. From the air, Crown Iris appears both graceful and commanding, a floating resort crafted for exploration and relaxation. With a deep history and a modern soul, she continues to bring travelers closer to the magic of the Mediterranean. Stay after the narration for ambient drone visuals and calming music.